The world is buzzing with talk of UFOs. More people than ever claim to see strange objects in the sky. Videos and photos flood social media. News outlets can't ignore the phenomenon any longer. Is this just a passing fad? Or are we witnessing something truly extraordinary? The answer may be closer than we think. For decades, UFO sightings were dismissed as the domain of conspiracy theorists. Now respected pilots, military personnel, and even government officials are speaking out. They describe encounters with objects that defy explanation. These aren't your typical blurry lights in the distance. We're talking about advanced aerial vehicles with capabilities beyond our current understanding. The sheer volume of credible reports is staggering. It's becoming increasingly difficult to dismiss them all as misidentifications or hoaxes. Something is happening in our skies, and it's time we start paying attention. One possibility is that these objects have always been here. Perhaps they've been observing us from the shadows, their advanced technology allowing them to remain undetected. Now, with advancements in our own technology, we're finally catching glimpses of them. Our cameras are more sophisticated, our sensors more sensitive. What was once invisible to us is now coming into focus. This theory raises some intriguing questions. If these objects have been here for centuries or even millennia, what is their purpose? Are they simply curious observers? Or do they have a more active role to play in our planet's affairs? The answers, for now, remain elusive. Some researchers believe that ancient myths and legends may hold clues. Stories of gods descending from the heavens, strange lights in the night sky, and objects defying the laws of physics are found in cultures around the world. Could these be early accounts of encounters with the same phenomenon we're witnessing today? It's a tantalizing thought. Another explanation for some, but certainly not all, of these sightings might lie closer to home. Governments and private corporations around the world are constantly pushing the boundaries of aerospace technology. It's possible that some of the objects being reported are actually advanced prototypes undergoing secret testing. Imagine, for example, a hypersonic drone capable of reaching speeds and performing maneuvers that seem impossible. To an untrained observer, such a craft could easily be mistaken for something extraterrestrial. The same could be said for experimental aircraft utilizing stealth technology, making them difficult to detect on radar. While this explanation might account for a portion of sightings, it's unlikely to explain them all. Many reports describe objects exhibiting capabilities that far exceed anything currently known to exist within the public domain. These include instantaneous acceleration, right-angle turns at high speeds, and anti-gravity propulsion technologies that would revolutionize our understanding of physics. As with any phenomenon that captures the public's imagination, the UFO topic is ripe for misinformation and manipulation. Some individuals or groups may be intentionally spreading false information or creating hoaxes for personal gain, to sow discord, or to advance a particular agenda. It's important to approach this subject with a healthy dose of skepticism. Not every blurry photo or shaky video is evidence of extraterrestrial visitation. Critical thinking and careful analysis are essential to separating genuine evidence from fabricated stories.